Get it either. I thought I got it really and I didn't.
Mm.
Alright, we'll try it again. It did exactly what Tia said it was going to do. It was going to bite the top off. Did he get a bite of it?
He was a little small. He didn't get much. Every time she gets on this side, they start running after him.
We keep looking up there too. Like Willie. Oh!
You got the other one.
Yep. Oh! Turkey your feet. There's some more in there. Yeah. Oh! Can you see that? Did you hear him? Oh my God. He burned your beak, buddy? That's a little badass right there. Take a nosedive for that hot dog. It's like, shit, I'm hungry. Look at him. He keeps rubbing his nose. He burned himself good. That's mean. Here we are torturing the seagulls over here at the Sea Park. What's up?
He keeps rubbing his beak in the ground.
Yeah, I know it because he burned the hell out of himself. Look at this one. Oh. Oh, burn.
You can't get it. They just took the top of it off now.
Oh my God. They're not going to be able to get that, are they? Look at this one's hair, or his feathers on top of his head. You see him? This one right here? So like I said, it's hot. It goes, my hair is standing up at its ends because it's too darn hot. go again. Oh! Oh, shoot. These guys are crazy. Oh, they're fighting. He's like, I don't have any food. Look at them fighting. Which one of you birds are Guido? Oh, ow. Give him a hot dog there, a cold hot dog. Throw away out there.
I'm gonna wedge in that side, man.
Why are you doing this?
Because it always gives everybody